What up, guys? It's your girl Tiff. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you are not a subscriber, then you know what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say this every video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Definitely like this video. Make sure you participate in the comment section below. But yeah, go ahead, hit the like, hit the subscribe. You did it. Alright, cool. So we're about to just dive right into this video. Today I will be tinting my brows. Yeah, tinting my brows. I ordered this Mina eyebrow henna kit. I got this off of Amazon. I believe it was $14.95, $12.95, something like that. I'll have the link directly below. And this is a no ammonia, no lead, and it's for up to 30 applications. And then I got the shade medium brown. Because I saw a couple girls, you know, use the different shades, and I definitely don't want them to be too dark. I'd rather them be light and, you know, I can shade them in and fill them in versus them being too dark. So it comes with, let's see. So it comes with 3 packets, a leftover bottle for your leftover product. It comes with a little mixing bowl or cup, the spoon, and then it also comes with a dropper, which you will need for some water. I'm being a little lazy. I got a bottle of water right here. So I'm about to just squeeze some water up in there. And we got our instructions. So what you will need for this, besides the kit, you are going to need a spoolie just to brush through your brows, an angled brush to apply it to your brows, and then like a Q-tip or something just to clean up around. And I am going to go ahead and put Vaseline around the perimeter of my eyebrow because I heard that it can stain, and I do not want it to stain my actual brow. So first things first is I'm just going to go ahead and brush my brows. And my brows are super thin right now because I just recently got them threaded. After waiting almost 2 months, I recently got my brows threaded. And I said, oh, I just want to clean up. And she basically chopped off half my brow. Because the cleanup after 2 months of like nothing to your brow, I should have had, girl, I should have had thicker brows than this. But whatever. So yeah, I got my brows threaded about 4 days ago. So we are going to go ahead and, like I said, I'm just outlining my brow with some Vaseline. Alright, so I'm taking a spoon of the powder. I'm just going to put it in this little lovely bowl that it comes with, and then it says pour in a few drops of the water, and then we are going to mix it with the spoon for 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm just going to put, that was about 4 spoons, like 6 drops. So it just says you have to mix it up for about 5 to 10 minutes so all the contents of it is smooth and it creates a paste. Because it's like little pieces of sand is what it looks like. And I'm going to take a Q-tip, this is a fresh one, and just clean up where I think I applied over how I want it to look. Alright, so I'm going to let this sit on for about 10 minutes. I am about to take the front off. I forgot to show that before you even do your brows, you should definitely clean your eyebrows with a nice clean solution. I had already cleaned my brows off, and I used just some witch hazel. So I'm gonna wait about 2 more minutes and I'm gonna start to clean off the front, and then maybe 5 minutes after that clean off the middle, and then about 3 or 4 minutes after that clean off the wing. All right, so I'm gonna take off the front part of my brow first. I'm just using a Neutrogena cleanser and a cotton round. I'm just going to put, well, I was just gonna put just a little, and I'm going to just bend it like that. Okay, so I'm feeling it. Like, I can see that my eyebrows are definitely darker than what they were before. They don't look as sparse, because if you guys can't tell, she kind of messed me up in certain places, so it's like really sparse right here. But that'll grow back. But I like this. And I like that with the henna, you can reapply this, you know, as often as you like. If you want to reapply it in like a week or two. It says that it lasts up to 30 days, but well, no. Did it say 30 days? You get 30 applications. So either way, I'm definitely in love with this. This actually looks like my brows are filled in. It actually looks like I filled my brows in before I sat down, and I didn't. I just did this. So I think I like this. I think I found something I might be doing. My brows look nice. So I hope you guys like this simple, quick tutorial on how to tint your brows at home. If you've done it before, please go ahead and put that in the comment section below. If you see a difference in my brows, then let me know. But I'm happy. I'm satisfied. Boom. Best $15 I spent. So that is it for this video. I will see you guys in the next video.